These are Bell Falls, and I had a heck of a time getting this footage.
Oh, here's might be good. So there we go. That's Bell Falls, and I'm going to go onto the other side and fly the drone around there. That looks pretty amazing, so let's go check it out. I have to go all the way down and then back up. There's no other way.
Before reaching Bell Falls, I wanted to visit a couple of spots that were close by. So the first one was the Rivington Bridge that goes across the La Rivière Rouge.
Let's go check out that bridge. Here comes a couple of bikers. Let's fly below the bridge. Better to crash here than when I'm out in Newfoundland. So it says I'm 2 meters. Ooh, that's scary. There I am down there. Let's get a nice view. Stop moving forward. Increase the elevation. Looks mighty nice.
Max altitude reached.
Max altitude reach. I think it was a success anyway. We'll see once I look at the footage. You tell me. So my buddy Michel and I are planning a big trip very soon, about a week from now. And we're going from Montreal to Newfoundland. It'll take us about 2 weeks to get there and back. So it's the longest trip that I've ever done, the longest motorcycle trip, and really excited. And the main reason I'm out today on my own is to practice my drone flying. I don't want to end up in Newfoundland and screw stuff up, not sure what I'm doing. So I need some experience, so that's the object today. There we go. Now this is a nice spot. So what I would like to do here is hover the drone over the bridge and record me driving through it. I follow a lot of people on YouTube, moto vloggers, and most of them have drones, and it's become something people expect to see or enjoy seeing anyway. And one of the shots that I always like when I see them is when you have the drone hovering over high up above an area, a road or something like this, and then they ride through the frame. So let's try it out. That's something I expect to do. Drone starts, press record. I forgot that one time. Get it up there. Here we go. I'm coming into the frame about now. Here I am on the bridge. Isn't this lovely? Very nice. So I had just taken the drone out again because I figured that I should
get some shots of this waterfall and bridge. And so I was out in front of it, and then the battery was getting low and the drone decided to come back. So back on the road, let's go to Belle Falls. So La Rivière Rouge is located just north of the Ottawa River between Ottawa and Montreal. And here are the 3 spots that I visited today. What is this?
Chemin privé, passage à vos risques.
Oh, that's too bad. Well, I'm not gonna... Well, I'm going to go back the other way and fly that drone.
I think we're approaching Belle Falls. So where can I park to get to it?
This spot looked decent enough, not right on the falls, but I figured I could still get something from here. I didn't think too much about the trees around me at the time. That'll matter in a minute though. First flight went out fine, got some nice shots, but then I got a low signal warning and it got a little hairy getting it back. Once I got the drone back, I realized I forgot to hit the record button. I wasn't turning around empty-handed after all that. So round 2, record button on this time. Signal's already shaky, so I wasn't planning on hanging around. Straight out, get it, straight back. Got it back safe. Not everything I wanted, but I got something. And honestly, at that point, that felt like the win. So here's the footage of the Belle Falls, finally, after all that. It's not fantastic, lots of jerky movements, but it's a start. As always, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Why don't you help me out and the channel by liking this video, giving me a comment down below, let me know what you think, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.